Hi again, Marcy here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we're going to look at Christmas music, Feliz Navidad. That's the song that we'll be looking at. And we're going to be looking in this series book here, Super Easy Songbook, Christmas Songs. Here's the ordering information. If you are not using this book, that's okay. You can follow along. I will walk you through how to do the right hand melody and how to do the left hand chords. Let's get started. All right, we've got Feliz Navidad. This song is also a 4-chord song, which is really nice. It's got our primary chords C, F, and G in the key of C, and then also one extra one, D minor. Let's take a look at the melody first. So we've got... So that is one way to finger it. You can start off and just stay in this position with your thumb on G. And you get to stay there for a while. Then we'll do a little stretch. And you could also put your 4th finger. You see how I didn't run out of fingers? I didn't have to cross that way. Then it repeats all the way through that. And then we go into the chorus. We're going to jump way up here, 5th finger on E. And then let's fix that. You notice I was aiming for, I was going to put a thumb on a black note, which is really awkward on the piano. So we try not to do that. So what we'll do is when we go up here and start on E, then we're going to go to the 5th finger on D, and that will solve that problem. Slick. And then back up to the 5th finger on E. And then we repeat. Pinky slides down. Pinky back up. And now you will notice, if you're looking at the book, that my rhythm is not matching what they have in the book. They have a simplified version, and I'm using their letters that they've got, but I'm making the rhythm sound like what I've heard on the radio and Pandora, because I want it to sound more like the original. You are welcome to do what's in the book or to copy me, either way. Okay, so let's take a look at our left-hand chords. Strangely enough, this does not start on a C, even though we're in the key of C. It's starting on a D minor. And then for our G, we were using the down shape in comparison to the C home bass. And then back to the C home, and the D minor, and then the D, G down, and back to C. And then onwards to the chorus, we've got an F, which would be the up shape, G down shape, and then C home. F for up, G for down, and C home. F up, G down, C home. F up, G down, C home. And as always, you are welcome. If you would rather just do a root position, you can bop around and do this would be a G, this would be an F, this would be a C. But I'm going to play it in this closer position where we're not jumping around quite so much. Okay, let's see what that would look like. Skip the repeat. Now, if you get that down and it feels pretty easy, you might want to put a little rhythm in the left hand, something like this. my fingering strayed a little bit on the right hand when I was thinking so much about the left. So you might not want to copy my fingering on that run through. But that should give you some ideas of what to do with the left hand rhythm. Pedal you can add as you will, just listen. And if it's ringing too much, you know you're using too much pedal. Hope you have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.